Hello, today I'm going to walk you through the setup of the Revival Zero Gravity Massage Chair. This feature-rich chair is very easy to assemble. When your chair arrives, it's going to be in one large box. There are no tools required for this assembly. Once you have opened the box, remove all the protective packaging material surrounding the chair and remove it from the bottom cardboard tray. Place the chair in an open, clean area to resume the rest of the assembly. Next, locate the two arm panels sitting in the seat of the chair and set them aside according to their position indicated by a letter on the inside of the panel, L for left and R for right. Along with the two side panels, you will find the chair's power cable, spare fuses and ball joints, the assembly guide, a user manual, a quick start guide, and the warranty card. Don't forget to register your warranty. Next, we will attach the arm panels of the chair by their corresponding side. Ensure that the lip of the arm panel faces toward the front of the chair. Align the connectors on the arm panel with the sockets on the chair's body and push firmly to connect into place. Repeat this step to the other side. Once both panels have been connected to the side of the chair, connect the chair's main power cord into the respective port on the back side base of the massage chair. Flip the main power switch on. Your remote control should come already attached to the chair's body. Power the chair on using the power button on the remote control. Now run an auto program to ensure that everything is working properly. With everything working, you are now ready to enjoy your Revival Zero Gravity Massage Chair.